Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 16th, 2020. This is our post-Bitcoin halving price forecast, price prediction. Going to give you all a heads up of where we're expecting Bitcoin to go before it actually gets there. Because you guys don't know, the dude that you guys see right down the bottom left side of my screen, he's called the market trapper. He's there coordinating the efforts of the price movement in the cryptocurrency space. Now, his objective is to take your money. I'm just gonna be honest with you. This is not a friendly environment. Any market that you trade in, whether it's stock market or the cryptocurrency market, there are no friends. And literally, he's there to take your money and you're there to take his money. That's plain and simple. That is the gist of trading. All right. So what we're here for, we're here to give you all a heads up as to what we're noticing his expectations in this market. Okay. And for today's video, it's going to be about Bitcoin. If you guys find our videos very informative and beneficial, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you follow us on our website, HueFinancial.com, because we'll definitely give you all a heads up of the many other price movements that the market trapper is trying to do in these other cryptocurrencies. All right. So make sure you do that. Okay. So here we are, Bitcoin. Last time we did our video on Bitcoin was all the way back about 3 days ago, May the 13th, 2020. You guys can already tell our expectations were for Bitcoin to move higher in price. Clearly, that's what occurred. At least 3.45% you could have bagged in your pockets prior to Bitcoin coming down on the 15th. At the very high of the market, 11.42% profitability. See, I don't understand why people make this so difficult. It's not. All right, so let's get rid of it. Now the question is, can Bitcoin maintain price and can it continue to hit that $10,000 level and eventually break up above it? We're going to try to answer that today. First thing we're going to look at is we already can tell $10,000 in the market in Bitcoin is restriction. So let's bring it up there. We're going to hold restriction in Bitcoin at $10,000, period. So now we already have a forecast playground or area that we expect the trap to do his business. Is already there. And this is it. This is where the market action is expected to occur in Bitcoin over the next couple of trading days. This is the prediction area right there. So in the prediction area right here in Bitcoin, we need to determine whether or not we're getting indications of market strength or weakness, period. Now, we have been rejected twice in Bitcoin at $10,000. Actually, a third time if you were to take it all the way back to the beginning of 2020. That is not good news. So what we need to see from the market trapper standpoint is if he's still interested in Bitcoin moving higher. And we'll have to see that in that forecast area that we just did previously. 4 hour chart in Bitcoin. Again, the market generally is giving us weakness. Okay, if you're a bull and you're expecting Bitcoin to move higher, I got to keep it real with you all. The market is not that strong right now when you look at it on an hourly time frame. Okay, 3 hour chart. Again, the market trap, he's definitely trying to push this price higher in Bitcoin, but it's just not ready yet. The market in Bitcoin is just not ready to continue to move higher in price. All right. All these multiple hourly time frames, we're getting hints that this particular cryptocurrency is not ready yet. That's it. There's nothing too much to explain from that perspective. You guys can tell that we are in a slight downtrend on the hourly time frame in Bitcoin. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to play this forecast package on an hourly time frame because it can still go either way from a daily perspective. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to play this on a 4 hour chart in Bitcoin of the market forecast of it going lower in price. Restriction is around 96. So again, If we break above $9,600 from the trap, then the expectation is going to be we're going to try to tag $9,800. All right. But currently, we're going to continue to play this market in Bitcoin with downside pressure. The price bars, the volume, everything is telling us that there's still a lot of weakness in this space that the market's going to have to overcome in order to push this price higher. So this is our forecast, planning on the 4-hour chart, expecting some weakness to come through. Our TP is going to be right there around $9,200, right around that area. Not flush, but around it. Okay. Maybe about 1.5% profitability into the market for that particular forecast package, but it can still come all the way down to 9,000 where you get 4% out. So what we're going to do, just going to continue to watch this market in Bitcoin continue to trade. I am noticing though, the last couple of 4-hour bars. Now look at this time. We got 2 hours and 52 minutes left. Okay. On this current 4-hour bar. Now, the only way that this forecast will go against us is if this current 4-hour price bar continues to show a strength and we close higher than the previous 4-hour close. That's it. So I'm on the lookout for that, because if that's the case, then that lets me know that our forecast is not right. Okay, so I'm just giving you all that heads up too, that if that occurs, the market in Bitcoin is going to try to continue to move higher in price. That's the only nail that can stop the progression or movement of Bitcoin moving to the downside. Okay, so just be on the lookout for that too. But that's it. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, I'm done.